In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit strokes. First of all, let's have a look on those guys. We call it nodes. So once we switch to the lettering, the nodes will look like this. We can select those guys and manipulate with them like this on the canvas. Stretch or turn around, even like this. Or as you see here below in the lettering panel, we can manipulate it with exact numbers. Voila! The second part, if we want to manipulate with several nodes, like let's say I would like to change this skeleton to the same values, let's say 40, it will work like this. So get back. Another option to manipulate with strokes is a global option, which is a kind of master setting or layer setting. So what it means, first of all, we need second master at least to display it. So I'm going to rename this for regular and master, and this one will be bold. The bold master is empty as we see, so let's copy skeleton and paste it here. Set up to 100 width and 0 angle. Enter, and here we go. So now we have two master. One is regular, which looks like this. Second one is bold. Probably, of course, we need to move these guys a little bit here, and here we go. The correction we will do later. One thing which I like on the master setting is a relationship between the node stroke setting. So what does it mean? Let's have a look on this node setting and this node setting. This one is narrower and this one is brighter. Same on this stroke, this one is narrower and this one is brighter. Or make it completely narrow. I'm going to change it to 10. And what happens now if I change master to the 200? Probably we will see nothing. Yeah, but if I change it to 50, you will see the variation of the stroke. As you see, the master not only changed every node, but the single node remains the same proportionally to the brighter one. So let's have a look on it again here. So as you see here, we have some modulation of the contrast. Here is brighter, here is narrower, also here. And what if I change the master setting here from 40 to, let's say, 20? What happens? Also the narrow is now narrower than it was before. So this kind of relationship is always kept, and of course it makes work a bit faster. Another option which we can make is differentiate it with the layer. I will call it layer, and I'm going to change this layer, which is here, to the 30 or 40. So now this particular layer has stroke width 40, but master has stroke width 20. What does it mean? If I change to master stroke to the 40, Let's see what happens with layer. Since before it was double, it doubled again, so if I change to 40, the layer stroke will be 80. So, and that's it. Cheers!